Good morning, Jamaican insiders. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Jamaica Before 7. In this one, we're heading to Price Rite. As you may know, Price Rite is the name of a supermarket, actually. The supermarket has since changed its name, but Price Rite is actually Chancery Street, the correct name for this area, Chancery Street. But the supermarket was so popular that the area developed or incorporated the name of the supermarket. Supermarket I'm talking about, of course, is now called Shoppers Delight. And this is that supermarket. Now it's time to get some breakfast from Baker's Delight. Look and see how much it costs. As you can see, I got stewed chicken and fried dumpling for a grand total of $640. How much does it cost to get breakfast by you? And here is a grand dumpling. It's not just a fried dumpling. Look how big it is. I honestly didn't know they would be this big. I got 3 of these. Who wants one? Let me know in the comment section. Alright. I won't tease you any further with my fried dumpling and stewed chicken. Called Shoppers Delight, formerly Price Rite, also provide parking here for its customers. So these yellow buses to our left are they're waiting to take passengers up to Red Hills and Rock Hall, while the cars, although there are not many cars here right now, the taxis, they will take persons to Halfway Tree. Now let's enjoy the sounds and the views here in Price Rite. Alright, so right now we're looking at the Meadowvale Seventh-day Adventist Church. That gentleman in the white shirt seems to be the operator of this taxi right in front of us. He is trying to get as many passengers as possible, and before he moves, he will not drive off with only one passenger. Of course, if you are in a hurry, you're hoping that other passengers are already in the car so that you can, leave the area soon. So as you just saw, the gentleman in the white pants is clearly in collusion with him. They're working together. So they just got a passenger and he drove off. That, of course, doesn't mean that he is going straight to Halfway Tree just yet. He is probably trying to get more passengers before leaving the area for Halfway Tree. Very interesting. Here comes another taxi on our left. Taxis are identified by their red plates, their red registration plates. As you just saw, this white taxi now has 2 passengers, but yet he's still not moving. So he's still waiting for more passengers. But anyway, our wait here has expired. I'm going to move on now. There's also a number 46 bus that leads from Chancery Street. This is Chancery Street, Price Rite Jamaica before 7 a.m. Hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you so much for sticking and staying. Ending it here for today. Do take care of yourself. Jamaican Insider out.